Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today we're going to be making Cracker Barrel's Copycat Hashbrown Casserole in our crock pot. For that we're going to need a half a cup of butter, a cup of cheese, a 25-ounce package of frozen hash browns, salt and pepper, a can of chicken cream of soup, and a small onion diced, about 16 ounces of sour cream, and of course your trusty crock pot. Pretty simple, right? So you know the drill. To start off, we're going to have our frozen hash browns in the bottom of our crock pot. To that, we're going to add our can of soup and our 16 ounces of sour cream. We'll add our diced onions to that, a sprinkle of our spices. Last but not least, our melted butter. And this is going to get thoroughly combined together. And we'll be cooking that on high for the next 2 to 3 hours. Alright, our casserole has been cooking for the last 3 hours. The last thing we're going to do is sprinkle our cup of cheddar cheese over it. Shut off our crock pot to just warm, maybe. And let our cheese melt into the casserole. I'll be right back, probably in about... And a good 10 or 15 later, our cheese is melted. Now, best time is here. We get to try it. Alright, we've dished out a nice little spoonful of our casserole. Put some parsley on it for that added little flavor. Presentation, you know. Now, let's try it on out. Cheers. Well, I've got to say, from many years of eating at Cracker Barrel, this tastes a lot like its casserole. Not exactly, though. There's some little element just not in there, but the chicken soup is definitely part of it. So, if you've never eaten at Cracker Barrel, have eaten there, have any thoughts, had something I could take out or add, leave me a like, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about it. And I will see you in the next video.